On the Health Alert tonight, a grieving mother's warning. A popular medication taken by millions can cause devastating and long-term side effects. 3 on Your Side health reporter Stephanie Stahl has exclusive details.
Happy Mother's Day, dear Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you.
He'd been so sweet and happy and become a promising young man. Now there are only the memories.
I'm going to be living the rest of my life without my son.
Rosemary's son Randy was just 22 when he killed himself. His parents blamed the hair loss drug Propecia. Randy was taking it because his curly red hair had started to recede.
It is so not worth it.
The warning label says there can be sexual side effects, including lack of desire and difficulty achieving an erection. They're supposed to go away when men stop taking the drug. Not for Randy. He told his parents when he stopped taking Propecia, the impotence continued, along with deepening depression.
He hated all the things that the drug had done to him. He hoped his family and friends would understand why he didn't want to live anymore.
Randy and scores of other men have shared their devastating discoveries on PropeciaHelp.com, but they're too embarrassed to show their faces.
Basically destroyed my life. It's devastating.
It's not worth it if you can't have a sex life. I feel like my 20s have been taken away from me, and it's not fair.
New research from Dr. Michael Irwig at George Washington University shows some men can have persistent sexual side effects lasting 5 years after they stop taking Propecia.
The presence of persistent sexual side effects in young men who were previously completely healthy can really take a big toll on their life.
Propecia works by altering hormones. Dr. Irwig suspects in a small percentage of men that can cause sexual dysfunction. Merck, the maker of Propecia, says that study is flawed.
They feel less than human because of it.
South Jersey lawyer Alan Milstein is suing Merck on behalf of several men who claim the drug ruined their lives.
When something as essential as sexual pleasure is taken from you, it has a profound effect.
He says Merck has not adequately warned men taking Propecia about the potential for long-term impotence.
Whether that was done intentionally so that they can make a lot of money and not scare people away, that's going to remain to be seen as this lawsuit progresses.
9 years old, right?
Randy's parents say he tried therapy and different medications, but nothing worked.
This is really the closest thing we have to a suicide note.
Randy's father saved his son's posting from the Propecia Help website.
I'm really hoping that this drug kills me, so I don't have to do it myself. I don't think my family and friends would ever understand suicide, but if they really knew the meaningless, ghostly hell I've descended into, then they would understand.
Now, Merck says it will vigorously defend the lawsuits. Just 2 weeks ago, since we started working on this story, warning labels for Propecia in the United States were revised to include complaints about persistent sexual side effects. But Merck stands by its studies, saying once the drug is stopped, they say the dysfunction goes away. Of course, a lot of questions about this. If people have questions, they should talk to their doctors.
All right. Heart certainly breaks for that family. Stephanie, thank you.